Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about this e-commerce sales dashboard. As you can see, this dashboard has four major parts. First, I will be explaining you about the main data source we have used. After that, I will discuss each part in detail. As you can see, we are using an Excel file as our main data source. This Excel file contains around 20 fields and 1200 rows. So this Excel file contains much more data than the we used in the previous project for the HR analysis dashboard. And this Excel file contains all the information about customer and their orders, so like their order item category and the geographical information about the customer, the profit, the margin and all. So so this data also is pre-cleaned, so we can just go and build the dashboard. So coming back to dashboard, as you can see, the first part is these KPI measures: sales, profit, and order quantity. We have plotted a line graph for each of them, so we can analyze the trend. So the current year, the total sales is around 14.11 million, and this will tell about this compared to the past year. So it grown around for 5.04%, and the profit has dropped by 0.46%, as well as the order quantity you can see. So moving on to next part is this pie chart, which tells about the market share based on the sales. As you can see, Europe and Latam has dominated more in the sales, and also we can use these market shares as filters. This will filter out other things, so it will help us in the making some insights and analyzing the data. And the next part is this bar graph. As you can see, this tells about the trend of the sales based on the category. As you can see, camping and hiking and water sports has grown in the sales, but all the other categories has dropped down, and the fishing is dropped down very significantly. It's dropped by 25% around. The final part is this unique line graph. As you can see, this tells about the customer acquisition per month based on the market wise. And the as you can see, at the first month, specific Asia was at the top, but going moving forward it dropped, and in the last 2 months it gained its original position. Like that, we can analyze the market wise customer acquisition. This is the dashboard. Based on this, we can generate many meaningful insights that can be helpful for companies to analyze their customer acquisition, their order quantities, their market shares, and all. So that's it. Thank you for watching.